Hi, welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be learning how to play Scrabble. The objective of Scrabble is to use tiles to create words. The highest score wins. Each player starts by drawing 7 tiles from the bag. On your turn, combine 2 or more of your tiles to form a word. Place the tiles either across or down on the board, starting with the center square. To score, add up all the numbers on the tiles, plus the values from premium squares. At the end of your turn, draw as many tiles as you played. It's the next player's turn. Add at least 1 tile to the existing tiles to make a word. And keep going. The game ends when all the tiles have been drawn and one of the players has used all their tiles. Add up your scores. Subtract the sum of your unused tiles on your rack from your score. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, like, share and subscribe for more game guides. Let us know in the comments which game you'd like to master next.